Hello. Hello. Oh, my candle's not lit. I gotta set the mood. I don't know what kind of mood we'll be setting for a Boxycharm unboxing. Jeez. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be getting into one of my favorite boxes for the entire month, which is the Boxycharm for the month of May. We're actually up to date. Who can believe it? I'm also very excited to announce that this video has been sponsored by Home Chef, and if you guys have been around here for a little bit, you probably know what that means. There will be yet another segment of Cookin' with Alexandria. Some of you are probably excited about that, and some of you are probably nervous for my safety because I'm not a very good cook. Hot, 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 ow, ow. But I did already go ahead and prepare the meal that I'm going to be showing you guys today, and it was absolutely delicious. So in between the unboxing and the try-on portion of this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of cooking together. If you guys do not know what Home Chef is, it is a meal delivery service that delivers fresh pre-portioned ingredients straight to your door that you can create delicious restaurant quality meals with right inside your home. You don't have to leave. It's great. So there'll be more on that later, but for now, let's go ahead and get on into this box here. So Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, and everything you're gonna get inside of here, typically, every now and then they're a little bit sneaky and they'll throw in like a travel size, but most of the time you get full-size items. This box comes with like beauty, makeup, hair stuff, but typically it's pretty makeup heavy, which is one of the reasons I like it a lot. So right on top here we have our little card that'll tell us the theme for the month and all the items on the back plus their prices. So this month's theme is Make Waves. Very nice and summery. I sadly haven't been to the beach in 8 years, which is sad. Ooh, that is such a pretty box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the very first thing we have in here is from Glam Glow, which is very fancy. Quite excited. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and it comes in one of the coolest boxes like ever. It has this like oil stained iridescent look to it. That is pretty awesome. I really hope the tube looks like this too. So this is supposed to condition, deep cleanse, and remove face makeup. Okay, yes, the bottle actually looks like the outer packaging as well, which makes it really cool. Stop falling. And this is of course a full size. I think you get 5 fluid ounces in here, which is really awesome. I really want to squeeze this out of my hand so I can smell it and like feel its texture, but it's a cleanser. We're gonna do it anyway. Oh, it smells like nothing. Genius move there. But it has kind of like a shine to it, which is kind of pretty. Smells like nothing, feels like just a regular cleanser. Why did I put this on my hand? I just really hate to waste like the makeup wipes that I have left on non-makeup related things. All right, next up in here we have something from, oh, Dose of Colors. I don't think I've tried many things from them, but I have a liquid matte lipstick in the shade Kiss of Fire. But this is going to be a very like saucy red. Oh my gosh, quite saucy indeed. At least that's what it looks like inside the tube. So this is the outer packaging. I really like this kind of like frosted glass. It looks very cool. My hands are so sticky. Oh, it's more saucy than we thought. Oh, that's cupcakes. So this has a little doe foot with one of the like scooped tops. I really do like these shapes of doe foot. I feel like they hug the lips nicely. So there it is swatched on the back of my hand. I swear it looks like it's glowing on my little screen here. It's not red. It's like hot raspberry, if that makes any sense. Quite an intense lip color here, but you know, it's coming around to like summertime, so this could be like a fun summer lip look. My summer lips typically look like, well, just like this with some chapstick on top of them, but you know, if you want a fun bright lipstick, this is that. Alrighty, next up here we have something from Ciate London, and this is a eye luster cream shadow, and I got mine in the shade Cupid. Wow, today's makeup look is gonna be festive, that's for sure. This is actually beautiful, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. It also kind of matches my shirt. I'm gonna be looking like a rainbow unicorn today. So here is the liquid eyeshadow inside the tube. It has kind of like an iridescent quality to it, so it's like kind of pink, kind of purple. That is actually like stunning. Oh my goodness, the way it catches the light is beautiful. So like when it's kind of in the shadow, it's a little bit like purpley pink, and then you catch the light and it's like kind of gold and green. That is seriously like really, really beautiful. I hope it dries down nicely. I'm gonna let this little guy dry down and see if it like, I'm gonna say crusts up. That's not what I'm wanting. I'm gonna let it dry down and see if it'll be like kind of a stay put formula. I really hope so, because this is honestly beautiful. Oh, there's 2 things left in here. So the very next thing we have is from Vintage Cosmetics, which I just received something else from Vintage like not too long ago in another box, and this is a cashmere lip pencil in the shade Mocha. Now, I don't exactly know how well these two things are gonna go together since I do try to put everything in the box on my face. Oh, I actually love this color. Like, this is kind of my standard go-to lip look. This one, not so much, but we're gonna try it today. But these two, I'm not 100% sure how I'll work them in together today, but I actually really love the color of this little lip pencil. Alrighty, and the very last thing inside of the little box here is a palette from Alamar Cosmetics, and we've actually received an eyeshadow palette from them before in a previous Boxycharm, and it was really pretty. Had some like really interesting colors inside of it. And this is a colorette blush trio. That's kind of fun. Oh, okay, so here are the trio of blushes. It does come with a nice mirror. We have Toasted here, which is kind of like a deeper color, and then in the middle we have Isla, which is kind of like almost a coral tone, and then we have Seclusion, which is a little bit peach, and they are all pressed in the center with a little logo. So there they are swatched on the skin. At first I thought they were gonna have kind of like a shine to them, but I'm not really seeing too much of a shine in the swatch. I really like both of these. I'm not really big into like peach or orange tone blushes, but you know, I'm gonna be looking like a unicorn today, so maybe we'll try it. Alright you guys, that was everything that came in my box. I'm actually pretty impressed with everything so far. Haven't actually tried it out on my face yet, but I'm really liking like this. I think that's awesome that there's a full-size big old glam glow thing in here. I think this liquid eyeshadow is just literally stunning. So yeah, off to a pretty good start. Excited to see how all this stuff works on my face. It did get crusty, but like in a good way. It's dry. I lost the handy little card that tells me all the prices. Alright, so the very first thing we have on here is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, which is $28. Then we have the Alamar Colorette Blush. Is one of the absolute hardest words in the world for me to say. Don't know why. Can't figure that one out. Anyway, the Colorette Blush Trio, which is $22. Then we have the Ciate London Eye Luster, which is $22. The Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is $18. And then the Vintage by Jessica Liebesbekind, which is $21. Alrighty, so some real quick addition here. The total retail value for my box came up to $111, which is definitely good value when you consider that the box was $21, and I feel like there is a good amount of usable product in here. Alright, so that was everything for the first portion of this video. We are now going to transition into some cooking, which has been sponsored by Home Chef. Again, thank you so very much, Home Chef, and I hope you guys enjoy this segment of Cooking with Alexandria. Hello! Welcome I don't know what that was. Alright guys, welcome back to my kitchen. We're about to get cooking. Very excited to eat. My stomach is like angry growling right now. So let's go ahead and grab this big old box over here. So as you all know, Home Chef is a meal delivery service that delivers fresh pre-portioned ingredients straight to your door in a lovely, convenient, nicely insulated box. Let me go ahead and get the food out of this box. Alright, and because I'm absolutely starving, I think I'm gonna go ahead and make these mozzarella stuffed turkey burgers, because that sounds absolutely amazing. I love anything just stuffed with cheese. I'm going to be following along with this handy dandy little recipe guide here. Really quickly before we get into the cooking segment, I just want to let you guys know a little bit more about Home Chef. Everything is super easy and convenient. It comes straight to your door. All of your ingredients are already pre-portioned to exactly what you're going to need for the recipe, so you're not going to have any leftover like food waste. You also get a very nice high quality meal that you can make at home, and you don't have to enter out into the world, which is something that I enjoy, the not entering out into the world part. All the recipes are like familiar things like burgers, but they always have some type of fancy twist to make them taste extra special, like shoving cheese in the middle. Can't wait for that. Each of the dinner servings are $9.95, but if you'd like to try some really quick, easy 5-minute lunches, those are $7.99 a serving. All right, now I'm going to finally go ahead and jump on into cooking. I don't think my stomach can handle it anymore. I hope you guys don't judge me if I eat both of these burgers. Taters. Oh, hot, 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 ow. Alright you guys, so here is my finished glorious looking burger. I'm so hungry. I have my crispy little Asiago cheese potato wedges and some mayo and red roasted pepper pesto on this burger. I cannot wait to eat this. Alright, so I'm already under the assumption that me trying to pick up this burger and bite it while holding this camera is not going to end up well, but I already have grease stains all over my shirt, so let's a couple more. That pesto on there is so good, so flavorful. This is delicious. I can't wait to devour this. And if you too would like to create some delicious meals with Home Chef, they are currently offering their biggest discount ever, $20 off your first 4 boxes for a total of $80 off. You can use the discount code Alexandria80 to see if you like the service with no huge commitment. You can pause or skip whenever you like. So if you would like to give it a try, click the link in the description and use the code Alexandria80. Alright guys, I'll see you back at the unboxing. Okay, guys, we are back from that little cooking break and we're about to go ahead and try on all the stuff on my face. Now, I don't have like any base products pretty much with the exception of like blush. Does that count as a base product? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do all this and then come back so it can save you guys a little bit of time. It's probably gonna take me at least like 30 minutes just to cover up this small like aspiring Mount Everest on my chin. Alrighty, so I have my base on. I love doing my eyebrows and realizing that I literally have eyebrow hairs down here. If I just left these things to their own devices, I don't think I would be too far off from those Wolfman movies. So now I'm going to go ahead and try out some of the things from the box. I'm going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics the word blush. I don't understand it. I think I'm actually going to mix Seclusion and Isla together. That's looking kind of like fresh and summery to me. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit for the eyes. I think I'm going to keep it like super simple and just use stuff in the box. So I'm going to try out the Alamar Cosmetics palette on the eye with a little bit of this, and that's going to be it. With the exception of potentially some eyeliner and then some mascara. I look real spooky without mascara, so that's definitely a necessity. I'm going to take this little Sigma Firm Blender E44 and I think I'm going to dip into Toasted here. I have no idea if these are eye safe, so maybe you shouldn't put them on your eyes, but I'll check first before you guys do it. Ooh. This is definitely not a clean brush. I'll be right back. This is where the makeup wipes come in. Okay, take 2. I literally had a section over here of brushes that I thought all of them were clean. I thought I was on top of my game, but apparently I have like one single clean eye brush and this is it. So this is what we're gonna use. This is the Sigma All Over Blend E37. Is this an eye brush? I don't even know. Just trying to get a pale pink transition so I can lay down some unicorn glitter. Okay, now that my eyes are palish pink, I'm gonna take this eye luster here and this is basically just gonna go like all over the place. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh man, I laid down a pretty thick coat. This is gonna take several minutes to dry. It stings just a little bit. Don't know what that's about. Oh my gosh, it stings a bunch. I think it's just where I like wiped off the eyeshadow that I had on. I think that might have irritated my eye a little bit and right now it's stinging pretty good. Oh, okay. Let's see if the other eye stings. Okay, this one's not stinging at all, so it must just be the irritation from wiping off my eyeshadow. I was a little bit nervous there for a second, but I think we're good. Okay, so far I'm just like, I'm in love with this eyeshadow. I really like it. I love cream eyeshadows recently, and this one's just like beautiful. It really is. All right, so as that's taking a millennia to dry down, I'm gonna go ahead and try out some of the lip products here. I'm gonna try to make these two work together. Probably won't, but we'll give it a go anyway. Right off the bat, I think this by itself will be a super pretty, like kind of nude lip color. I think I'm gonna fill in my entire lip underneath the liquid lip, and then maybe that'll give it some more like depth or something, and it won't be like so vibrantly neon hot raspberry. See what I mean? I'll just look kind of spooky without any mascara on. But this lip color I definitely think is very pretty, and I can see myself wearing this just like on its own. But now to go ahead and top it all off, let's try some of this Kiss of Fire. Oh, I definitely think that oh wow, that's a lot of pink on my teeth. I definitely think the lip liner underneath it is like helping to deepen it up just a little bit. This is just a little bit too like neon and I can kind of see like my skin coming through, but this is a little bit more like deep raspberry instead of hot raspberry. Okay, now I'm just going to slap on some mascara to finish off the look. I think a nice beautiful pair of false lashes would really make this look stand out, but as always, we're not going there. Have you even done your makeup if you don't get mascara fully on your eyeball? Alright you guys, so here is the final look. I really like the liquid shadow. I will say that I tried to go in and like blend out the harsh line and I got a bit of fallout, so hopefully that doesn't mean that it's gonna like just slide off my eyes during the day. But I think it's super pretty. I feel like Glinda the Good Witch. The lips have dried down to like a really nice feeling, like kind of comfortable matte. They are definitely a bit more colorful than I would typically go for, but I think it's a pretty color. So I personally really enjoyed this month's box, but I'd love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. Alrighty guys, so that is officially everything I have for you all today. We had the unboxing, the Cookin portion, the try on portion. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!